Hi, this is the Dyson V6 Absolute. It's one of the top models in the Dyson range and it has a maximum runtime of up to 20 minutes. So to get going with this cleaner, once you've built it up, all you need to do is press the trigger at the back, and it's just here. And the advantage of using that, as opposed to a cleaner with an on and off switch, is that the battery will last longer because you're only pressing the button when you actually need it. So the different options are, you can either use it as a normal vacuum cleaner for doing the floor, obviously. If you wanted to do the stairs or doing the car, for example, then just press that button there and that unclips, and then what you have the option of doing are using the different tools that they come with. So the first tool it comes with is, this is basically a turbo brush, and what you can do is, if you're using it for the stairs for example, then just clip it in. As you can see there, the brushes actually rotate, which means it really gets into the carpet. The next tool it comes with, this is called a combination tool, and what this is really good for is if you've got, say, crumbs on the table or just a smaller area, and what you can do, if you don't want the brush, clip that up and then you've got a separate nozzle at the end. The next one it comes with is a Crevice Tool, and basically with this, as it says in the name, if you want to get in small areas or corners, then that's really good. The other main tool it comes with, this is called a hard floor tool, and as it says in the name, if you've got things like laminate floors, tile floors, then rather than having the brush going round, by having this, the hard floor tool, this is fantastic because it means it's not going to damage the floor. Also the suction is better. As you can see underneath, you've actually got rubber strips here, and you can actually adjust it. There is a switch just on the front there. So this is really good if you're using it for the hard floors. And the other main tool it comes with is this, the direct drive head. This is fairly standard across most of the Dyson V6 models, and that's really good if you're using it for carpets to really get the best performance out of it. When it comes to the maintenance of this cleaner, it's really easy on this model. First of all, if you want to empty the bin, then all you do is you've got a clip on the side here, and that drops down. After a while, what you want to do is to actually wash all of this, and literally all you do is you press that down again and this whole unit comes off. This is all washable, so just rinse it under warm water, let it dry before you put it back in, and then when you want to put it back, that's it, just clip it on there and then push the bin and away you go. Now what sets this model aside, apart from the rest of the V6 range, is the filtration. On this one, obviously the same as the rest of the range, that you've got the filter on the top, and that just pulls out, and that rinses under warm water if you want to wash it, and then you just pop it back in. What the rest of the range doesn't tend to have is this one at the back. So with this, if you do suffer from dust allergies, then this is really good, because it's an extra filtration for the vacuum cleaner, letting less dust out at the other end. And to take that off, you twist it. Again, that's all washable under warm water. Pop it back in and then twist, and away you go. Now in this model we have got two power settings. So it's the button on the back that enables you to put it into a boost mode. Obviously this can reduce the running time, but if you've got a really stubborn area, then this can be really good. So I'll just show you. So you press the button, hopefully you can hear the power difference, and when you're actually using it, especially on carpet, it does make a huge difference. With this cleaner also, it comes with a wall mounting bracket, the main advantage of this, it's up to you whether you use it, but what you can do is by putting the cleaner in there, obviously when it's on the wall, then it just sits there nice and snug. What you can also do is when you put the charger in the top, then when you have it on the wall, it will be charging, so that next time you come to use it, it's ready to go. And to take it off, you just push it up, lift it out, and then ever so easy. What you also get are 2 slots at the bottom. And what you can do, hopefully you can see this, with the tools, they just sit in there. So you've got space for 2 of the tools, which makes it ever so easy for storage. Now with the wand, you can actually use it to get high up in the corners as well, which is really useful. And all you do is you just slot it on there. You get one of the tools that you want to use, that just clips on, and then once you've done that, then you're ready to go. Now if you are interested in this vacuum cleaner, the Dyson V6 Absolute, then you can either visit our website, go cordless.co.uk, or give us a ring on 0116 4300 123.